Alyssa from the Kennedy Longfellow School, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make paper airplanes. There are going to be two different paper airplanes that we're going to make today. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to need is a piece of paper. The first step is to fold the piece of paper in half, just like this. Then you're going to reopen the piece of paper and take the edge of the paper and bring it to make a right triangle, just like this. You're then going to do the same to the other side. Once done with that, you're then going to take this edge of the paper and bring it into the middle line. Make sure that the top is pointed. You're then going to do the same for the other side. Just like this. The next step is to fold the paper in half. Once done with that, you're then going to take this and fold it out towards yourself, just like this. We're then going to do the same to the other side. So you're going to flip over the paper and do the same. And there you are. Now we're going to do the smaller plane. So you're going to need another piece of paper. You are then going to fold the piece of paper just like we did with the other one. You're going to then unfold it and do the same thing we did. We're going to make the right triangles at the top of the paper. Just like this. Now the next step is to fold down towards yourself, just like this. And then we're going to make right triangles again. So you're going to fold just like this, and then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Once done with that, you see this little triangle poking out. We're going to fold it up so it's not poking out. Once done with that, we're going to fold it in half. And then we're going to do the same thing and pull down the flaps towards us on each side. And there you are. Which one do you guys think will go further? The long green one or the short red one?